엄지손가락 빼고 찌르는 포즈 만들어 보세요. 왔다 갔다 해봅니다. 호흡은 편안하게 해주시고
꽁트가 많다.
살짝 얼마 띄워보면
I made a list of promises to you. I just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. You lift up everyone around. Can't believe what I found. But knowing, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. Forever